Right, good morning, Year 10, and welcome to Friday morning. Okay, so I do have a school notice today, and then we'll do a little activity which you can do over the weekend if you want. It will fill up some time. Let's get started today. Right, guys, so notices. There's one thing I want to talk to you about from the school that I think you need to know, because yesterday I had to email some Year 10s about this, and I was nice about it, and I was like, let me know. And loads of them got back to me and said they were doing it a different way, which I said fine, but other teachers won't be as cool as me, as you well know. So listen up. I want to talk about submitting tasks and what your teacher's been told. All right, so this is a Teacher's Frog Mark book. Now, I've used the tutor one because it doesn't really matter if you don't look at tutor. I'm not hurt at all, not hurt at all. Right, so this is what it looks like. So every time I put like a video lesson up for Year 10, I put it on Frog, and I put the YouTube link here. Every lesson for French and Spanish should be on YouTube. So I put the YouTube link here, and then when you go on a task, this is what it does. If you don't look at the task, you get this symbol here, or I get this symbol here. This I means students haven't opened the task. So this is today's tutor, because I'm recording a day in advance. I've literally just a second put this up before recording, so no one's looked at it yet. So we've all got these. All of you people haven't looked at it. Then the other symbol is either this one, the green tick, or a red cross. So a red cross means either the task wasn't opened or you never submitted it on Frog. You never said it was complete on Frog. The green tick means that it was complete on Frog and you sent it ticked. So why does this matter for you? Because your teachers are getting a record of this now. So this is for tutor time, but just replace this with lessons, and this is what all your teachers will look at, and they'll be looking along this to see who's going on their lessons and who's submitting the task saying it's done and who isn't. So what they need to do is this. When you get 5 red crosses, so these black eyes will turn into red crosses eventually when the task closes. When you get 5 red crosses, we've got to email Mr. Bracken to talk about it. And if you're watching in a different year group, this video, whoever your head of year is, we email the head of year saying this person hasn't gone on these 5 tasks or hasn't submitted these 5 tasks. So why is this a problem for you? Because loads of people in my French class had this. And I emailed them, and they emailed me back saying I just went straight on YouTube and did it, or I'm working in my book, or I just didn't open it on Frog, which I said, fine, just make sure you're keeping up with it, because I've got a really nice Year 10 class, unlike my tutor group, I really like them. So, so you need to be aware of this. If you're not opening the task on Frog, be prepared for your teacher to email you, or you to email Mr. Bracken, and this will all be followed up. So when you get back to school, because you're going into Year 11, this is the sort of thing they look at when they're deciding who starts homework club from September, who needs to go to catch up, who are the key students who do twilight in Year 11. So remember, I used to do that September to December. I had Year 11s every Monday night. You'll be in that list if you've not submitted your task. So I know loads of you are working hard. Make sure you submit your task. Give that green tick on Frog. Make sure you press submit, and then your teachers have got that record that you're doing the work, because otherwise you might be doing it but you won't get the recognition. It might get you in trouble. So that's all the school rules today that you need to know about. Today's activity is another quiz one. Now I know some of you absolutely love quizzes, and I've missed Kahoot Thursdays. I know it's Friday today, but this is a really good site. We used to do it at uni. It's called Sporkle, and it's got like over 1 million quizzes on it, because like people just make them and upload them. So it's American, so like if you go on sport, it's all like American football and rubbish sports that no one else in the world plays, but it's got a search bar. So I searched for Premier League, and there was like 1,000 different games. This is the top one, which looks really good. Can you name the clubs in the Premier League since its inception? So every club, look, 28. So who's at 28 seasons in the Premier League? There's got to be like Man United, Arsenal, Chelsea. They've never been relegated. Liverpool, and then these will be the tough ones. Who's only had 1 season? Ipswich Town, Swindon. I'm pretty good at this. So this is just an example of one of them. It's not all like football. There's everything you want. You can see like the popular quizzes today, like F cities by Clue, smallest countries in Europe, find the US. Let's say like there's loads of quizzes you can get on everything. It's a really good site and it sucks you in. It's got a time limit, it's got leaderboards. So this is 8 minutes. You just start and go, and you can play it with your mates. You can get them on the phone or on FaceTime or whatever and say, let's do this quiz. Who can you think of? And go for it. It is a really fun thing to do. Try it out, guys. Sporcle.com. I'll put the address in the link. Right, that's me for the weekend then. Guys, have a really nice weekend. I hope you do something nice. Remember to treat yourselves. And make the weekends a bit different to school days. Maybe have a lie-in to like really make it stick, or like it's going to be sunny. If you've got a garden, go out. If not, you can go on a walk, go to the park or something. Enjoy the sunshine, because we can still have fun during quarantine. Right, guys. So I'll see you on Monday morning. See you then.